Aircraft Association. Fun and sun flying, and yeah, promises to be quite a nice morning. Weather's been a bit marginal so far, but the clouds are lifting, and it looks definitely like a great VMC day. Okay, airspeed's alive, temperatures and pressures are good. 40, 50 knots. Guineafowl. Jeez Louise. Okay, approach for 75. Okay, after takeoff, checklist brakes. Boost pump, lights off. Steps up, prop to climb. Out of the gate. Going to clear right. Okay, ahead. Go to the left. Traffic in the Johannesburg General Flying Area, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike is Sling 4, airborne for Paragonus. Climbing through 6,000 feet on the climb to 7,500. We'll be routing to the west towards Orient Airfield, and then on to Brits, India Bravo Mike. Special rules west, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike is the Sling 4. Airborne out of Paragonus, who's just exited to the Johannesburg General Flying Area in the northwestern corner, routing towards Orient, and thereafter through the Johannesburg GF, and then on to Brits, climbing 7,500 on 1023, India Bravo Mike. Sure, this is so pretty. Captain Special Rules West, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, 7,500 feet south of IBM ramp, contain routing Paragonus via Orient to Brits, India Bravo Mike. Uniform India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, 3 nautical miles south of Orient Airfield, 7,500 feet, routing towards the Johannesburg GF, and then on to Brits, India Bravo Mike. Okay, it's picking up a little bit of bumps now. We're heading up over the southern Johannesburg Ridge. Significant headwind here, 30 knots. Making slow progress, 90 knots. Traffic in the Johannesburg General Flying Area, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike is the yellow Sling 4, 7,500 feet. We just entered to the south, and we are 5 nautical miles directly south of the concrete tower. We'll be crossing the northern ridge, south to north, and then routing for Brits, India Bravo Mike. From Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike, good morning. Brits traffic, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, 10 nautical miles to the southwest, inbound, full stop. Brits traffic, Zulu Uniform India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, 5 nautical miles to the southwest for the overhead joiner and windows inspection, India Bravo Mike. Whoa.
Traffic, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel overhead the field, will join right and downwind for 02. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel.
Brits traffic, India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, descending on the dead side runway 02, will be making right crosswind, and then onto the right hand downwind for 02 for a full stop.
Brits traffic, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel, final 402, stop.
traffic in the Bravo Mike, crosswind, runway 02.
Traffic Echo Romeo Juliet, beam the airfield, joining on a right hand downwind for runway 02, full stop.
Brits India Bravo Mike is right hand downwind, runway 02. Boost pump, lights, prop.
Traffic 7 Echo Romeo Juliet is right hand downwind 02, full stop. Number 2, is number 1 a low wing?
Affirm, yellow Sling 4.
Okay, I'm just behind you.
Brits India Bravo Mike, turning base, runway 02, full stop. Stay nautical miles to run over 18 in the next 4 minutes, Tango Oscar. Brits traffic India Bravo Mike, Sling 4, base to final, runway 02, full stop.
Brits traffic 7 Echo Romeo Juliet, turning right base, runway 02, full stop, number 2.
There's a massive crosswind there, watch your speed.
Brits traffic 7 Echo Romeo Juliet, final approach 02, number 2.
Brits traffic in the Bravo Mike is vacated 02.